Let's make an awesome chipotle sauce. Start with some garlic. Crush all our garlic. Chop a shallot. This doesn't have to be precise, it's all going to be blended in the end anyway. Put some lime zest in here. Ground cumin. Dried cilantro. A little bit of salt. 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Put these over medium heat, and that will get all the flavors blooming together and coming alive in the oil. Open up our chipotle peppers and adobo sauce. Get about 1/4 cup of this. Make sure you get plenty of sauce in here. A couple of the peppers. Once the garlic's starting to brown and you can really smell the flavors, go ahead and throw in the chipotle. Put in a 1/4 cup of chicken stock. And we'll just mix and reduce this for a couple minutes till it thickens up a little bit. We're going to add some fresh lime juice from half a lime. Just do it by hand. Transfer this to a blender container. 1/4 cup sour cream. 1/4 cup mayo. I like to use Kewpie mayo. And mix it up. So good.